QCM, established in 1970, is an enterprise integrated with woodworking technology and equipment, research and development, manufacturing, sales and service. It covers an area of more than 200,000 square meters. Located in Sichuan province, in China, QCM focused on woodworking machinery industry for more than 50 years. We developed four-side molder, multi-blade rip saw, planer, tenoning mortising machines, CNC machines. QCM has a strong and experienced research and development team, established research cooperation with Northeast Forestry University, Sichuan University and other universities, has more than 60 patents, won the National High-Tech Enterprise and other honorary titles. Quality creates brand. QCM regards quality as the life of the enterprise. We took the lead in passing ISO 9001 International Quality System certification in this industry in China. We not only introduced many advanced processing equipments to be used for processing and producing product parts, but also developed scientific and standardized quality management standards to bring high quality and stable products to customers. Our customers spread all over the world. After more than 50 years of development, our products have been widely used around the world: Poland, Brazil, United States, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and others. More than 50 countries and regions gain the customer as high praise and appreciation. We have wide network of dealers in both domestic and world markets. Customer in local could get quick response, no matter before sale or after sale service. We provide not only good quality product, also quick and good service, committed to provide customers with the best.